Fresh armpits. Oh, yeah. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and today I wanted to talk to you about how to take care of your pits naturally, safely, effectively, and at a lower expense than traditional options. All right, so we have the doTERRA Balance Deodorant, boom, right there, and then we also have the Lavender Touch as an option. And so every day, I basically take the Balance deodorant, put it under my armpits, maybe like a couple swipes, like 1, 2, and then I also do like 1, 2 swipes there. And then I also take the Lavender Touch, and this is already diluted with fractionated coconut oil, and I just kind of do a few swipes under there as well on some of the areas that I know can get a little sensitive. And then I also do it on the other side, boom, 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 and I kind of just swish everything around a little bit. And so when it comes to the benefits of the deodorant, the natural deodorant features doTERRA Balance Essential Oil Blend, baking soda, and arrowroot for long-lasting freshness and all-day confidence. And then it's also aluminum, paraben, phthalate, and talc-free. And then the arrowroot powder aids in absorbing underarm moisture, leaving you feeling fresh and dry throughout the day. And then the baking soda helps to neutralize and prevent odors. So you want to choose something that's natural like this because it's going to support your lymphatic system. It's going to support, all the other areas in your body that are affected with, what goes into your body, especially when your pores are open or you're sweating. And I use the Lavender Touch because it's calming, it's soothing, it's already diluted with fractionated coconut oil. I have some videos on the fractionated coconut oil, but basically it's going to help to moisturize as well, reduce the chance of irritation, and also have that calming and soothingness, just in case there's a little extra sensitivity down there, because sometimes the baking soda or other things can get inside of your pores when you sweat. It's similar to like if you put salt on something that's open on your skin and it kind of is like, ooh, that's stingy, right? So we want to combine sometimes things like this if you know that you get a little bit of sensitive. Or you can actually just put like a drop of lavender essential oil on top of here and apply it under your armpits. And really less is more. Like you only need, a drop of this per arm, and then maybe like a few swipes of this under the arm. And then I only do like maybe 1 or 2 swipes underneath the arm because we're not trying to like overdo things, right? So less is more, and that is going to help. And then I also reapply after shower, after swimming, after excessive sweating when it's hot out or in the summertime. And so there's times to kind of reapply, but keeping in mind anytime there's open pores, it's going to have that sensation of a little bit of stinginess. So that's why I may use the Lavender Touch first, which is good because, again, going to calm down the skin, and then I'll use this second. So how you apply it first or second is kind of up to you on what you want to do. But that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did. Hit subscribe for future video updates. And most importantly, check out the links and description below so you can continue to get your learn on. And I'll see you in the next video.